What do you do when you are sad?
What do you do when you feel low?
What do you do when you are unhappy? Many people listen to the music because music heals pain.
Because it lowers blood pressure.
Because it relaxes the muscles. According to Howard's website, music therapy can calm anxiety, ease pain, and provide a pleasant diversion during chemotherapy or a hospital stay. Welcome to Life Loosened Up. This is your host Katie,
And Nupura,
where we spread the awareness
and share the conversation
with the hope of making small changes in someone's life.
Bikramjit Bolia, a folk singer who is from Assam but lives in Kolkata. He always believed in healing power of music. So he decided to help people with COVID. One fine day, he posted a status on his Facebook account in Bengali.
He writes, "Are you affected by COVID? Are you isolated at home? Are you in hospital? If yes, please call me on this number and I will sing for you. And also I'll talk with you."
He thought it would bring little joy to anyone who is suffering from COVID.
First few days were quiet because no one called him with the request to do anything, no matter it is good. Do you know what is needed? Patience, patience, and patience.
Many of his friends thought it's a publicity stunt and they criticized him.
After few days, the post went viral.
He started receiving calls not just from Assam but Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra.
And even Bangladesh. He received calls from the people who were isolated at home.
He received calls from people who were in the hospital.
To top everything, he received calls from the people who were not affected by COVID, but they wanted him to sing for them.
Besides that, it wasn't just one person calling him. Instead, the hospital started calling him and putting his call on loudspeaker.
So that the music would heal patients, doctors, nurses, and everyone in the hospital.
যারি লোকে বলে ও বলে রে ঘরবাড়ি বালা নাই আমার
It was difficult for him to handle all the calls because his hands were full. And he delivered the medicines to the people who were in need. Yet he ensured that he returned all the calls.
It shows a clear message. All you need is good intentions.
Because our intentions create our reality. Thank you for watching this video.
If you like this video, please hit the like button
Please share this video.
and subscribe to our channel
Life Loosened Up.